Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the EuropaProperty.com studio. We're here live to bring you some news about the CEE Retail Awards and Marketplace, the #1 event for retail and in Central Eastern Europe. Great opportunity for meeting new retailers, meeting shopping center owners and retail destination owners, which I think is going to be a top subject here in Warsaw. We've got over 100 retailers already confirmed. Most of the top shopping center owners and retail destination owners are already coming, and they're already part of the Marketplace. Marketplace CEE is the place that you can come to anytime, starting even right now, where you can meet the retailers, new retailers looking to expand into the region, looking for the right place and the right shopping center. Also for the shopping center owners to find the new blood, the new retailers that you need to make the shopping center happen. So that'll be going on, but the Marketplace is happening now. Also the Retail Awards, excellent opportunity to, you'll meet the top retailers, the top shopping centers that are open in the retail destinations. And this year, it is really all about innovation. You'll also meet the shopping center owners and the retailers that have really put forth a lot of effort into innovating their businesses, and see who's going to survive and thrive in 2021 and beyond. So we'll see you. You can register on EuropaProperty.com or retailawards.cee, retailawards.eu for CE, and we'd love to see you there. We want you to be part of the whole event. It really is an opportunity to meet new retailers that are coming into the region, also for the retailers that are around to find locations you never thought were available. Now they are. So anyway, we'll see you, hopefully talk to you before this, but we'll see you on February 10th and 11th, live and online for the Retail Awards and Marketplace. Enjoy the rest of the day.